Oh.
I'm back, out fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team. Blue faces busting out the scene. New life is something like a dream. Back out fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team. Blue faces busting out the scene. New life is something like a dream.
What's good, YouTube? It is Brihall and I'm back with another video. Alright, y'all. Don't worry, the makeup tutorial is coming soon. I promise. Y'all have my word. But I am not in my final form today, if you can't tell. Today, I actually want to try out a $20 wig from Amazon. I was watching a video and it was by a YouTuber named Tay Pancake. She is so funny, y'all. So make sure y'all go follow her. And she was doing a wig try on haul and I saw this one wig, y'all. And I was like, that might be a move. So I've got my wig cap on. It's not all of them and I didn't really do the most laid thing. I just put my hair in some plaits because I'm gonna be doing another hairstyle as soon as I get tired of wearing wigs. So trying to bump out a lot more videos for y'all during quarantine now that I'm in, like, I guess a better headspace. Like at first it was really shocking, but now I'm starting to kind of get my groove going, if that makes sense. Here's the wig, all right? So I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, what was that?
We about to go.
This wig is giving very slight auntie vibes, okay? But we are going to try to finesse this wig. So this is what the wig looks like off. I'm not gonna lie, it almost looks like a mullet. I put it on the loosest setting because y'all know I got a big head, so. Oh. Okay, we're gonna slide her on. All right, y'all. Y'all see what I'm saying though? She has some potential. I'm ready for Summer Walker to drop some more music, by the way. Ooh, one edge is tugging over here. You always want to make sure your edges don't feel like they're being tugged on when you put a wig on, like, especially one like this. Your synthetic wigs tend to have a harder lace. So, alright, so now that we've got our mullet vibes going, Auntie Bree has entered the chat. Comment Auntie Bree if you are here for videos like this. I think it could sit a little bit further back. That's good, as long as the wig cap's being hidden, which it is. I have a doll baby brush. Now these are low-key some of the best brushes for synthetic wigs and wigs in general. When you're wearing doll baby hair, girl, you gotta get a doll baby brush. I'm gonna comb some of the curls out because this reminds me of like a big roller set. So I kind of want, ooh, my shoulder cracked. Kind of want to just give it a little bit more of a natural look. The wig has a little bit of shine to it too. And I feel like if this was my natural hair, it would have some more frizz. So, sorry Auntie Bree fans, we gonna have to, we're gonna have to bring it back to Hara real quick. And I'm kind of just brushing like in the direction of the curl. And might even finger comb. As you can see, that's already starting to make it look a little more voluminous. And I'm gonna come through the front. Don't be afraid to go through more than one curl at once. I'm talking like I already know this wig gonna come out good, but I just feel it in my soul. I just want to note that I actually developed arm muscles during this tutorial. Alright, I'm gonna brush the front bang area down too. Wait for it, wait for it. Ooh. I like what that just did, y'all. Okay, so we're gonna do that to a lot of the top. I'm gonna try to still be gentle, but this is a synthetic wig, so y'all see how the frizz is starting to kind of make it come alive at the top. We still auntie, but we getting to rich auntie at the very least. That's what we're going for. All right, so I'm going to also do what I do with my natural hair and separate some of the curls from the pack. Some of y'all don't like when I do this, as per comments on some of my videos, but again, I like volume, so if you get this wig, man, do what you feel is right for you. I'm really hoping we can finesse this, y'all, because if so, I'm probably gonna get this in every color. For some reason, I wanted to put myself through this again, so I ended up getting this wig in every color, and y'all gonna see me popping up with it. Instead of spending 2 hot hours under the dryer with a roller set. Now we're starting to give Dream Girls vibes. We are in a quartet. Now for the sides, the thing is, I don't like this mullet vibe, so I want to give it a little more volume if possible. So I'm gonna just kind of shake it and see if that'll actually help us. And I'm just finger combing the roots while I shake it. I will get my afro pick if I have to. All right, So now at the bottom, I'm gonna keep combing and seeing if this will give us some nice fluffy curls. The hair is not too bad. It's easy to detangle too for a synthetic unit. She is getting there. Are y'all seeing the promise?
My baby love, I need you. Oh, how I need you.
She might need to get a little. Oh, what if I put her to the side a little bit, y'all? Ooh, actually, I'm kind of feeling her to the side. All right. Look at the strength. Look at the perseverance. Look at the optimism. When I did, okay, so what I'm gonna actually do is brush through the whole unit. I was thinking about what my hairdresser did when I used to get these curls and roller sets. I think we're getting somewhere. All right, after I finish combing, I'm gonna come back, y'all, and we're gonna see. All right, y'all, so after lots of curl combing, this is where we are now. What I realized is I'm definitely gonna have to cut some more layers into this because it is desperately needed. So in the center, I'm gonna cut even shorter layers up here. My hair shears are actually in another room, so don't judge me. This is definitely giving me like 70s pin curl blowout kind of looks. Wrap your finger around and it'll curl right back up. So for example, like any messy pieces that need just a little bit more to have that defined curl, you can go back in and just do that, especially around the top. I think she's cute, y'all. What do y'all think? Would you get something like this? I'm about to wear it out though, just to Target though. I'm gonna have to play with this wig a little bit more to get it exactly how I want, but overall I really do like it. It's just about the shape that I'm trying to get right. This is definitely giving me 70s love interest though. All right, y'all, so this is what I ended up stopping with. I'm gonna still play around with this wig. I'm gonna go ahead and take some shots outside or just in natural lighting so you can see it, not in the studio setting where I've got lights bouncing off of me. All right, so first is the blonde. I actually did not expect to like the blonde. I thought it was going to look the cheapest out of all of them, but it's actually giving me Paris Hilton, watch out for your job. You know, I'm coming through for the girls on a windy summer day. But yes, serve. But then the copper came along, y'all, and the copper was a disappointment for me. I thought this was gonna slay so much harder, but I'm giving Great Value SZA. I'm giving Little Girl Off the Wendy's logo. Like, I'm really giving you Pippi Longstockings. I feel like this just has to be finessed a little bit harder, but I threw it on for this end clip. Now the red. I've actually had red hair on my real hair, so this felt natural to me. It's giving me Rihanna stan at the American Music Awards in 2010. Alright, y'all, let me know if you enjoyed this video. Was this wig finessed? We missed the mark. Do you have any suggestions for anything I should do to it after this? Let me know. I put the link to the wig in the description box, and I will see you in my next video. Ooh, I think she's cute though. I think we snapped. I really do. Peace out, gang gang, and I will see you in my next video. And she did shed just a little bit. I need a little bit.